Hello everyone and welcome. Into this video I'm going to walk you through how to add phone number to your Zoom. How to add phone number in Zoom. The first thing you do is log in, sign in to your Zoom account. Let's say you're using a PC and you have the app. It's easy. Sign in once I think you're signed in. It depends on you. Or you can use the website, which is exactly what I'm doing. So I typed in Zoom, login, and I was taken to this website, which is zoom.us. The next thing I'm going to do is, it's taking me to the home page. Now I want to add actually phone number. So let's go. The first thing you do, you check on your left here. We have some options. And from this menu, we have home, profile, meetings, webinars, events and sessions, phone, personal contacts, personal devices, whiteboard, notes, docs, recording, clips, scheduler, settings, data and privacy reports. Then we also have the admin options and the rest of them. What we need is the profile option. So you click on profile option and then it brings you to this part by the right. Now here, you can see my profile here, the name, the display name, everything. Now let's go to the phone. You can see that under the phone there's no number set. So what I do is by the right here I click on add phone number. So when you click on add phone number, you have to label it, which is optional, but let's say I want to use as my mobile phone number. Enter your country code. Let's say can we put it in or do we have to use the options? Let's find out. For some reason I can't find my plus. Get it? Alright. Okay, let's use Nigeria number. +234 phone number. Let's say, I'm not sure of this number. This it should be blah 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 blah. No, it's too many. Okay. Yep, this is okay. Oh wait, the number will be verified in the next step. So please use a real number. Let me see. Continue. For your security, Zoom wants to make sure that it's really you. Zoom will send the verification code to the following number. Your number will be visible to your Zoom contacts on your profile. Zoom is protected by reCAPTCHA and the Google privacy policy and terms of service apply. So we tap on continue. Let's see how it goes. Verification code has been sent to the number. Enter your verification. What am I saying? Enter your verification code here. Alright. Verification code sent to that number, the fake number. Okay. Let's see. Verification code sent to a number. We have to put in the verification code that was sent to that number. Let's see. Maybe we should change the number. But wait a second. Alright. I'm going to do some magic here. Alright. Please use a real number. Let's see. 58. Let's see, 98, 58 again. Let's just form it like that. 58, 98, 58. 58, 98, 58. Let's see. Confirm. Yay! Systems have been updated. I'm good. I'm a genius. So that's it. That is how to add phone number to in Zoom. Now, if I want to edit this number, I simply click on this option for edit. Then I can change it to the real number, and don't forget the verification code will be sent, which you have to input for your settings to be updated. If you want to delete, simply click on this, which is for delete. So it's as simple as that. Don't forget that this phone number will be displayed on your profile. So that means if I go back to the home menu, let's see. Click on it. Okay, loading. Let's see. This is my profile, but I don't see it. It says to be displayed. Well, maybe they mean for others when they access my profile. Or is it here? Is my profile? Oh, it's here. Profile is here. So, okay, but there's no phone number. But for it to be there, maybe it's taking a little bit of time to process it. Anyway, so that's it. That is how to add phone number on Zoom. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips like this we put up every day. Thanks so much, guys. That's it for today. See you in the next video. Bye for now.